Error code 5001 in Marvel Rivals signifies that the game's servers are currently under maintenance. This prevents players from logging in or accessing the game. The message, server under maintenance, or a countdown timer often accompanies it. This maintenance is essential for game stability, security, and performance. Think of it like closing a store briefly to restock and fix issues, ensuring a better experience for everyone later. Server maintenance happens for several key reasons. First, developers deploy patches to fix bugs and glitches that players encounter during gameplay. Second, maintenance allows for balancing hero abilities to ensure fair and competitive gameplay for all players. Third, it introduces new content such as seasonal events or exciting new game modes to keep the experience fresh. Fourth, maintenance optimizes server performance to handle large player volumes, with peaks of over 2 million concurrent players recorded. Fifth, it addresses potential security vulnerabilities to protect player data and maintain a safe gaming environment. These important updates typically occur 1 to 2 times a month to keep the game running smoothly and securely. While scheduled maintenance is the most common cause of error code 5001, it's not the only reason this error can appear. One alternative cause is unexpected server overloads, when a sudden influx of players overwhelms the servers. DDoS attacks, though rare in gaming, can also trigger this error by flooding the servers. Regional internet outages can cause the error to appear in specific areas, even if the main servers are fine. Issues on your end, like using a VPN or having a poor internet connection, can sometimes make the error show up even when servers are stable. Understanding these different causes can help you troubleshoot more effectively when you encounter error code 5001. The first thing you should do when you see error 5001 is to be patient. Scheduled maintenance rarely lasts more than 4 to 6 hours. Check Marvel Rivals' official Twitter account, now known as X, for estimated times when the servers will be back online. You can also check in-game notifications for updates. Additionally, check community forums like Reddit's r/Marvel Rivals for real-time updates from other players. When you encounter error code 5001, sometimes the issue isn't with the servers but with your local game files. Corrupted or missing files can mimic server errors. Verifying the integrity of your game files is an advanced troubleshooting step that checks and repairs these issues. For Steam users on PC, start by opening Steam and navigating to your library. Right-click on Marvel Rivals, select Properties, then go to the Installed Files tab. Click the Verify Integrity of Game Files button. This process will check all files and repair any issues automatically. If you're using the Epic Games Store on PC, launch the Epic Games app and go to your library. Find Marvel Rivals, click the 3 dots menu next to it, and select Verify. This will scan and fix any corrupted files in your installation. For PlayStation users, navigate to Settings, then Applications Save Data Management. Select Save Data in System Storage, find Marvel Rivals, and choose Check for Corrupt Data to scan and repair any issues. On Xbox, go to My Games and Apps, highlight Marvel Rivals, and press the menu button. Select Manage Game and Add-ons, then Files, and choose Verify and Repair to fix any file issues. Once you've verified your game files on your platform, restart Marvel Rivals and check if the error persists. This advanced troubleshooting step frequently resolves issues that appear to be server-related, but are actually caused by local file corruption. Some players report success by temporarily switching to a different region in the game settings. This can sometimes bypass regional server issues, but remember, these are not official solutions and NetEase doesn't endorse them. Some players also report using network optimizers to improve connection stability. These tools can adjust settings to potentially resolve connectivity issues, but again, use these at your own risk. Always proceed with caution and understand the risks when using unofficial workarounds. The gaming industry is constantly improving server infrastructure to reduce issues like error code 5001. Expect to see advancements like AI-driven predictive maintenance to minimize downtime, and technologies like hybrid cloud solutions for automated load balancing. NetEase is committed to reducing server errors But remember that online games inevitably face these challenges from time to time. Staying informed and patient is key.